The constant pi is one of the oldest enigmas in math. They even named a day after it. Subscribe now to the series The History of Math on the YouTube channel What Makes It Tick. In the country of mathematics, there are some famous numbers. We already met the golden number, we already met E, and of course the ultimate P. P is strange because it's very easy to define, very difficult to calculate, and more than that, P is a mystery. The definition is simple. You take a circle and the diameter. P is the ratio between the length of the circle and the straight line here, roughly equal to 3.14. And it looks simple, it's an incredible mystery. We even don't understand the sequence of the decimals. One of the oldest problems in mathematics was called squaring the circle. It was a challenge for mathematicians a long time ago and still today. It was just to build a square the same surface as a given circle. And nobody can solve this. Now we have proven it's impossible. P is a mystery, is a field of research maybe forever. So you have dozens of ways to approach, to calculate, to cope with this P number. One of them is particularly funny because it connects with probability. And this method to calculate P was proposed by Monte Carlo. He just put on the ground parallel lines, like this. The same distance between two lines. Let's call it D. Then he took a stick, and the length of the stick was exactly D. That's all he needed. Parallel lines and a stick. Then he was somewhere in the room, throw the stick, and the stick fall on the ground. There are two possibilities. Either somehow the stick cross a line or doesn't. Monte Carlo proved that the probability for the stick to cross the line is 2 on P, roughly 2 on 3. Incredible. And he was amazing because he made an experiment. He sent 10,000 times the stick on the ground and just taking into account yes or no, the stick crossed the line. And he found something like 3.14. That's how in mathematics everything is connected. Probability, P, E, and many more, as we will see in the next videos. In the next episode, discover how Galileo proved Aristotle wrong by rolling a ball down a slope. Subscribe now to follow the history of math on the YouTube channel What Makes It Tick.